So what are we doing, babe?
We are picking up some stuff like this.
Preparing for the hurricane.
Just in case there's any flooding or the house gets destroyed or something.
Oh my
God
God.
forbid. We're gonna take the most important stuff.
Abby? Abby? Cheese. We are preparing for the hurricane. Oh.
This is it. It's coming. We're preparing for the Hurricane Irma. It's on the way. It's about 78 hours away or less. I don't know. A day and a half away. The house is already prepared with shutters. We had to cut down a tree that was about to fall down. But we're not gonna stay at my parents' house. We're gonna stay at Barbie's parents' house. But we got everything that we need. Though it's been super hectic down here. Really hard to find water. People are going crazy, even though the water is safe to drink from the tap water. It's super safe. The governor said it himself. Just fill a bucket with water and you're good. But people don't like they don't like to listen. So though we do have at least a gallon or two for Abby, since she needs baby water and stuff, whatever. We got baby food for her. She's the most important. We got stuff more for her. I got some ramen noodles for me. I could live on ramen noodles. That's all I need. But we're good. We're good in supplies. We're good in gas. I had to fill up the tank. Yeah, it was. I had to go at least through 10 gas stations, which 3 of them actually ran out while I was in line. And one of those 3, my sister actually, literally, no joke, I'm not exaggerating, she took the last gas that was, we were in a gas station, 7-Eleven, putting gas. I was in line and I didn't know that she was there already. And as she's coming out, the lady that, the gas attendant came out with the red bag saying, "Hey, there's no more gas." I was like, oh wow, that's just great. But yeah, after the 10th, I finally found some gas. It took a while. It was a huge line. Water, I found it. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, I found water yesterday. It was very limited. It was just 1 pack of water per person. Good thing I was with my uncle, so he got 1, I got 1. Food, there's barely any canned foods. All I did was just got ramen noodles, man. I'm good with ramen noodles, man. That's all you need, bro. I don't need no canned food, no Chef Boyardee. I'm good with ramen noodles. Yeah, hey, let's see what happens, man. I mean, at least we're ready. We're ready. I really don't know how to feel about this hurricane. The problem is that it's been such a long time that a strong hurricane has hit South Florida. South Florida, because it has hit Florida, but it hasn't been like such a strong hurricane. The last hurricane that strong hurricane that hit us was Hurricane Wilma, which was in 2006. That was more than 10 years ago. It was a bad hurricane. There was flooding. Puppy! What happened? So yeah, the last hard hurricane, like really serious hurricane, was Wilma. No, Katrina. Wilma or Katrina, one of those. They were both bad. Those one after the other. It was really bad. It was more than 10 years ago. Knocked down roofs, trees, fences, several houses, not all houses, because the thing, after Hurricane Andrew, which was in 92, after Hurricane Andrew, they changed construction coatings and stuff, like what was to be used in materials to construct the house. Basically it's just, you know, a high grade of bricks, you know, concrete, whatever, and the houses are meant to like hold a hurricane down here in South Florida. That's why, you know, like the last hurricane that was bad, you know, Wilma, it didn't really bring down any houses, maybe some businesses, warehouses, whatever. But that's the thing, I don't know how to feel about this hurricane, because it's been such a long time that they say it's a bigger hurricane than Andrew. It's coming really strong, but I just don't know what effect it's gonna have. You know, I mean, the houses are pretty strong down here. Yeah, it might bring down some trees and stuff, but I don't know, man, to be honest. I don't know. We'll see when after the storm. We'll see, you know. Hopefully there's no one gets hurt, you know. Guys, be safe out there. All my South Floridians, make sure you guys pack up and on supplies and stay safe. Stay inside, guys. Don't do anything crazy. That goes to you, Danny. Don't do anything stupid and go out surfing. So yeah, let's see. It's all in God's hands. We got some clear skies, you know. It hasn't begun to rain yet, you know. It's pretty clear. This whole day hasn't rained at all. It has been a pretty day, you know. It's been nice and sunny, you know, good enough to go to the pool, yeah, or the beach, you know. I wouldn't doubt it. I'm sure there was someone at the pool or the beach, for sure. It was such a hot day that I know for a fact there was people at the beach. Yeah, we should start. Chichi! Yay! Nani! Standing up by yourself, Chuchi. Judy. Check this out. How is this supposed to hold 150 miles per hour winds? Trust me, this is no joke. This hurricane is no joke. Compared to this to this. Seriously, guys. That's nothing to mess with, guys. Come on. Be smarter than this. Don't be cheap.
Everyone is putting up wood and shutters, except for some people.
Yeah, some people are putting
they're the only ones that have tape.
yeah, some people are putting, you know, wood inside or outside, metal shutters. Some people already have it, you know, installed on the windows. They don't take their lives serious or their properties or anything, and they put tape, which is not a big help, but to each his own. We're gonna go on a walk. We're gonna go to the park, but it's closed. At least the park that it's close here by Barbie's parents' house. It's closed. They have some people from the city giving out sand, so that's why they have it closed. Hola, people. Ya tú sabes. We're gonna go for a walk. It's still a good day, you know. It's nice, sunny. It's super hot, like always.
I mean,
here.
It's not really like super.
It's, yeah, it's alright. But the winds are picking up. But it's a bit windier than usual. It's not a biggie. It's still good. The weather's still good. It's good enough to go to the pool. Weather is good enough to go to a pool right now, so yeah. Preparing. Some people are well prepared. Some people we here are well prepared too. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. It's still a good day. Trying to see the cup half full, right, puppy? Daddy, ¿verdad?
Everyone's putting up their shutters. Guys, it's so dark in here. Oh my goodness. It's so dark. Mom, ¿qué tienes que decir del huracán? Are you nervous, scared?
Nada, el huracán, que hay que prepararse, confiar en Dios y tener todo ready.
There you go.
We're gonna go help some friends of ours put up some shutters. It's pretty calm.
The
streets are calm.
empty.
It's nighttime. The streets are calm. People are starting to pick up. A lot of people are already all boarded up. Got a lot of protection stuff going on. They're preparing for the hurricane. Still don't know what to say about it. It's just a lot of speculations going on the news. People, it's gonna be strong, it's gonna be this, it's gonna be that, but I don't know, man. just gotta ride it out. A lot of people have evacuated. A lot of people from Florida have evacuated. We're just gonna ride it out. I know there's a lot of people that are a good, maybe let's just say, to put it into numbers, a good 30% of Florida's or South Florida has evacuated. A good percentage of people are still here in their homes. They're just gonna ride it out. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. I don't know.
Hard-working men.
No se cansa por ese cirugía, si prepara cirugía. Aquí arriba con hambre, bueno, mantente. Como ese con jandí. Una libra, carne.
Una libra.
Estaba gorda, estaba. Sí, no se va todo observando. Ella, lo de ella es para abajo. Mira cómo aguantó el plato entre las dos manos para coger lo otro. Porque ella es. Vaya, ella va en todos los frentes. Mira cómo tiene el plato. No deja aguantar. A que no se le caiga.
No, a mí me gusta pero la vida siempre.
Si se le cae arriba de algún crecimiento o algo, se lo busca.
Nada más que pusiste la de eso de aquí en el altar.
Menos mal que la gente en estos casos que no salió por la calle. ¿No estás sentada fuera de eso? ¿La cojo por ahí? No. Y el negro te dejó estar por la mano.
Ahí anda uno escondido, un dinosaurio.
¿Cómo estarán los pájaros?
Allí hay dos palomitas.
It's over. Our hurricane is gone. It made a pretty good mess. A bad mess. Not a good mess, a bad mess. We're gonna go see if there's a bank open. I don't know why she wants to go to the bank. Out of all the things, she wants to go to the bank. I'm telling you, man. Actually, she just wants to drive around to see and be nosy. She wants to go see the mess that the hurricane made. Also to see if there's anything open to munch on. We're kind of hungry. Most likely there's not going to be anything open. If there is, they're probably accepting cash only because there's a lot of people with no power. There's still a lot of people with no electricity. Thank God we have power again. We got it last night. Maybe like 10, 11 hours without power.
No, not even.
Yeah, it went away like around 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
No, that's true.
Not much, not too long. But let's see what's the damage.
Yeah, I think so.
They didn't measure those things. They should have seen that there is a high pressure coming from that side.
Oh my god.
That's what moved the hurricane literally from night to day, because that was at night. They said that it was gonna get all of Central Florida. The high was gonna go through the central of Florida, but then in the morning they said nope. It's just the garage. At least they're home is still intact. There's no light. Traffic lights are out. We got the police directing traffic. So there's gonna be heavy jams. It's one thing I don't like, traffic.
Careful.
This road has 4 lanes.
Ow.
It has 4 lanes. There's only 1 lane open. It's been decided. Barbecue once a month. Okay, so on another note, it's pretty over. The hurricane, the storm.
Betty.
It's a lot of debris, stuff on the road, but everything seems alright. Took the shutters off already. Everything nice and calm. But yeah, there's a lot of stores, gas stations. We don't know when they're gonna open up again. So we're trying to like conserve our gas, our food. I know there's some supermarkets are open, but they're only accepting cash. But we'll see. It's pretty boring. It's boring without Wi-Fi. we have light. That's a good thing. Though there's a lot of people without light. We have light, but no Wi-Fi. And the signal that I do get on the phone is very weak. I don't know if they're trying to fix the antennas, but it's really weak. I have to go like more into the city to get a good signal.